Okay, this will be a very short video because today's topic is extremely easy. Our topic today is on common and proper nouns. All right, so all nouns are either common or proper. The idea category of nouns generally comprises common nouns: fidelity, faith, righteousness, general ideas, okay, general truths or non-truths for that matter, okay? Most persons, places, and things can be either common, which is a general person, place, or thing, or they can be proper, which means they are specific. All right, examples include girl as a common noun becomes Kate as a proper noun. School as a common noun becomes Mercer Christian Academy as a proper noun. And team as a common noun becomes Cavaliers as a proper noun. Okay? Do note that all of your proper nouns start with a capital letter. Okay? Cavaliers, Mercer Christian Academy, and Kate. All proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Okay? Don't think y'all will have any trouble with this exercise or these exercises today. But if you do, as always, of course, feel free to message me. Okay? Have a blessed day.